Life is full of unexpected moments. That's why today, we're answering one simple question. Why is insurance important? Let's start with mortgage protection insurance. It's peace of mind for your biggest investment. If something happens to you like a serious disability or even death, this coverage can help pay off your mortgage, so your family keeps the home they love. Then there's final expenses insurance. Small, affordable policies designed to cover funeral costs and last wishes. It's one final gift of love, ensuring your family isn't left with a burden. And what about income? Income replacement and family life insurance ensures your loved ones can still pay bills, buy groceries, and live life even if you're not there to provide. Looking ahead, retirement protection and annuities help you build long-term financial security, so you can enjoy the future you've worked so hard for. Insurance isn't just about protecting, it's about preserving peace, stability, and love for the people who matter most.